The last of the lies that I'll cover is you need to get right back up on that horse. There are two myths that are closely related to this one. Replace the loss, and if I keep busy, the pain will go away. For Dr. Davidson, this was supposed to look like getting back into a busy schedule or just being productive in some way. He said, returning to my previous schedule was disastrous for me. I changed and I didn't want to go back to my old world. What a powerful and emotionally honest expression from him. Of course, there was no way that he was going to be able to replace the loss of his son. But when a pet dies or a romantic relationship ends, that is often what happens. We go out and we adopt a new pet, and we enter into a new romantic relationship. However, if we want either of those new relationships to thrive, we are much better off if we find emotional completion from the grief surrounding that loss first. Then we don't enter into that new relationship with that emotional baggage. We can walk in with a clean slate.